Hey y'all, welcome to another video from wreckingout.com. So today's video focuses on a recent blog post we did to build this aluminum Sandspike. That blog post was inspired by my 30-year-old Sandspike I've had since I was a kid, starting to crack. So I looked around the garage. I actually had some extra round tube, some aluminum angle, and some plastic dip. So I thought I would go about, coming up with my own Sandspike. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. Just going to get the cuts out of the way first. I'm going to cut a 36-inch length of angle, a 4-inch length of the 2-inch round tube, and then I'm going to cut a 2-inch length. This is going to form the tube, but I didn't want to add the extra weight of a full tube, so I'll show you how I approach that. So here I'm just cutting a point onto the end of that angle. This is going to be the part that actually sticks into the sand. And then I'm just going to remove that burr by grinding it off. Also going to grind it off the sharp end. Then I'm going to use my spool gun just to put a stopper in the bottom of the 4-inch tube, and then I'll weld those tubes both to the angle iron. So rather than using a full tube, you can see I'm actually just adding sections of tube to serve as guides for the butt of the rod. So once everything is welded, brazed, or screwed, depending on what you chose to do, we want to protect that. So we're going to use some plastic dip. And all you have to do is pour some out and dip whatever it is you want to protect, and you get a nice protective seal as seen here. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any thoughts.